So if you want to give a gift to somebody else or just yourself, Dr. Squatch is the way for you to go. And I got this and I was super surprised by it. First of all, the packaging is just amazing. But then as you open this up, you're going to see stuff and you're going to smell things that you never actually smelled before. So opening this up over here, whoa, wow. This is it. I'm telling you. The first thing I got is, and you can actually go ahead and get whatever things that you pick in the goodie bag. So you don't necessarily have to get the same selection as I did. But I got the Fireside Bourbon over here. That's how it actually looks like. The box itself is just amazing. Now opening this up, and the smell is just amazing as well. Whoa, this is so good. And now the looks of it. The looks is awesome as well. So next thing, the presentation box is just awesome. This thing has the presentation to this. So as you get this, it's one thing. As you smell it, it's a whole other level. Oh yes. Wow. Gotta put this on. Back to the ancient days, pirate times. Fireside Bourbon is the best way to go. And the best part, this is all natural cologne. So you put this on, you're not going to feel like you're spraying yourself full of chemicals. You're spraying yourself something that smells good. And you know, it's actually not bad for you. So guilt-free to use this. Awesome for the environment as well. And the packaging is just amazing. So this is one thing that it has inside here. Let's check out the other ones. But before we do, take a look at the box. The box itself is just amazing. Whole presentation wise is A+ over here. A+ in my book. Next thing, Dr. Squatch Auto Squashing Deodorant. This is the pine towel over here. That's how it looks like. And it is huge. This thing is giant. Look at the size of this thing. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. Now, the whole presentation about this thing is just awesome. And the smell. We're talking about natural deodorant over here. And the smell is just A+. It smells like going right in a forest and smelling an actual pine tree. That is the pine tree smell over here. That's my favorite. Now there's other smells as well. Just pick the one you like the most. This thing, rate A+ as well. Now, of course, the only reason I bought this whole entire stash was just to get one product. You might be saying, well, why? Because when I got one, I decided instead of getting like a bunch of soap that I can get and getting a lot of them, let me get a few other products as well. So this is the real reason why I got this. The pine towel. Yeah. Smells the same as the pine deodorant, but this is all made out of natural oils and it is cold processed. So let's go ahead and you can see right here how it actually looks like. But I'm going to show you the real deal. I am opening this up. I'm trying to open this up. Now I'm successful. Yeah, that is the smell. That is how it actually looks like. You know it's the real deal because it actually looks like a bar of soap. And it's a little bit on the dirty side, just a little bit. You can see right here, but that's the real deal. You're getting natural stuff and it smells woody and delicious. So good that it even says on the box, do not eat. Now next thing, why I got this stash? Well, because I'm getting everything that I can put right inside the gift box. Now, before you go into, well, gift box, talking about gift box over here, let's talk about the box itself. First of all, really nice material that it's made out of. I'm really totally surprised by the material itself. Second thing about this is that the opening. You can go ahead and open this up just like this, and voila, look at how it actually looks like. There is two compartments at the top over here and at the bottom over here that you can stick and stash just about anything you actually like over here. And it's awesome, travel friendly. I really enjoy and liking this a lot. In fact, I like it a lot because of the way it actually looks, and I was expecting this to be super cheap, but it is actually premium material. Now, one downside over here might be an upside for you, is that this is not actually removable. It's sewn right over here. It might look cool for some people, but if you're like, hey, I don't like this, too bad. You're stuck with all those things all over the place, but maybe it gives it extra character. Furthermore, it is also collectible. People do collect those things as well. So overall, I give this A+2. Altogether, we are getting a lot of awesome products. So if you're looking to give somebody an awesome gift for them to go, for your boss, for yourself, you're getting them the following. The deodorant, oh, natural. You're getting them something else, which is the natural bar soap over here. And we also are getting this. This is all combined. The whole entire purchase is just awesome because you're paying and you're getting so much stuff for this price, and including the gift box over here that you can stash everything together, and that makes it awesome. Make sure you get yours because you're gonna love everything about, including the smell. Smells so good, you might wanna go ahead and try to eat it, but do not. So let's take a look at the stuff up close. You can see over here the Bourbon is really nice. It's very beautiful looking. This is kind of like leather feeling right at the top over here, and on the other side, just how it looks like. Forget the looks, the smell is the best part of the whole entire thing. Here's the pine towel over here, and that's how it actually looks like. It's nice, oversized, and big and spacious as well. Last but not least is the deodorant itself. This is how the presentation box actually is, and that's the back over here too. So go ahead and open this up. You can see how the deodorant actually looks like. The soap is just awesome. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's go ahead and open this up so you can see how the soap actually looks like. The smell is divine. That is for sure. Here it is. Real bar of soap, and you can smell it from here, and it smells amazing. Probably wondering about the deodorant itself, what is inside the stick. Here it is. Really great looking and smells great as well. Lastly is the bag. This is the bag itself. Take a look at how it actually looks like when you open this up and you make it full and spacious size. Now there is a reason why this all comes with this bag itself. The reason is quite simple. What it is made is for you when you go on your trip to have all your scenting essentials with you, including the deodorant, bar of soap, and the cologne. Putting it all inside here, there is plenty of space here for you to stick everything else in here as well, such as the razor and other stuff for your trip. Best part is right here. Go ahead and take this on the go just about anywhere you actually like. And that's exactly what I'm going to do right now.